The expense analytics dashboard you're seeing was created in just seconds from this simple Excel file. Yes, this Excel data was automatically transformed into this beautiful, fully interactive dashboard. Let me show you how you can create the same dashboard in just a few clicks. As you know, every dashboard starts with properly organized Excel data. For this one, your Excel needs only 6 columns in any order: date, department, category, amount, payment method, and approved status. Now, let's simply drag and drop the Excel file here. Wow, in the blink of an eye, your complete dashboard is ready. Charts, KPIs, expense breakdowns, and analytics, all generated automatically. If you want the name of this website, comment Analytics below. And if you'd like a complete tutorial covering all the dashboard features, let me know in the comments as well. Follow for more Excel tips, dashboard tutorials, and AI productivity tricks.